have everybody come in the classroom real quick. We got to present Joseph with something here. Finally heard something back on the scholarship you applied for. Got an email. It says, "Good morning. I'm very happy to report that one of your students, Joseph Molnar, is one of the winners of the 2016 Collision Repair Education Foundation Craftsman Tool Grant. The award is a 263 toolkit and a portable storage box that we have right there for you."
Awesome.
Go ahead and open it up.
Ooh-wee. Well, that's snazzy right there. Awesome. Yeah, it's not too hot.